Welcome and have a good day to Madam Fazila and to all my fellow classmates. My name is Nona Binti Abdullah. My metric number is 2022152129. Today I will be presenting on the importance of skincare. Before I start, I want to ask you, who here have a complete skincare routine from cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen? Have you ever imagined that in the years 2022 nowadays, the environment in Malaysia and other countries is getting worse? Yes, the environment nowadays is not the same as the years before when there were not many buildings, factories, and others that can environment getting worse. So, let's relate the environment to our skin conditions. Do you guys think it is relatable? Yes, of course. We as humans really need to take a good care to our skin. Now you imagine, if one day you wake up and look at a mirror and notice that your skin has a lot of dull skin, tiny bumps and acne, your skin is in the worst condition just because you are not taking care to your skin. And those people out there will assume that maybe you are not doing skincare routine, you are a dirty person. Yeah, of course you don't like people like this, right? So to prevent all the skin problems, always take a good care for your skin with any supplement, vitamin, or the most important things that you need to take care of your skincare. Before I start share about skincare with you, I just wanted to make it clear that skincare routine is not just for ladies, but for both, such as men and women. First of all, I would like to share with you the basic skincare, which is a cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. As we all know, the most important things we use every day is cleanser or facial wash. The cleanser is very important because our skin is always exposed to a dirty environment, which can lead to dirty skin and wet skin, and also carry to the other skin problems such as acne, blackhead, whitehead, milia, and others. The cleanser helps in cleanse our face from all the dirt and make our skin look fresh. So we need to use a cleanser that's suitable to our skin type, and it helps balance the production of oil of the skin so that the face will not too dry or oily. By wearing a facial cleanser, it can also remove dead skin cell and moisturize the skin with the right pH. So this is the first important step, which is a cleanser. We're moving on the next step, which is moisturizer. Why do we need a moisturizer? It is because moisturizer will help maintain moisture in our skin, whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin. Moisturizer are an excellent product to incorporate into your daily skincare routine. Moisturizer can help keep your skin moist and fresh. It provides extra hydration because as humans, we do a lot of activities every day, and our skin wears sweat, and our body will release a lot of water through sweat. So moisturizer will help our skin become more hydrated. Therefore, we need to choose moisturizer suitable with our skin type. So moisturizer is the second step in a basic skincare routine. Last but not least is the most important step is we need to wear sunscreen or sunblock. Some people think that they need to wear sunscreen when they go to the beach or be exposed to the sun for long periods. Others know that they are supposed to wear sunscreen every day, but they don't. The sunscreen need to use every day, and we need to reapply it every 2 or 3 hours. Do you know why? The weather in Malaysia is so hot, and our skin is always exposed to the sun's UV rays. Do you know what will happen when the skin is exposed to UV rays? Of course, it will cause skin disease, and if it gets worse, can lead to skin cancer. So the use of these sunscreens can help prevent premature aging of the skin, protect your skin from UV rays, and reduce the risk of skin cancer. In addition, I would like to share how to apply sunscreen properly. You know how? Okay, you need to wear at least 2 fingers, and of course, after 2 or 3 hours, make sure you reapply again. Make sure 2 fingers, okay? Now look at this. These are examples of the skin did not using the skincare routine at an early age. Now you can imagine and reflect on how important skincare is to keep skin healthy, elastic, and looking fresh. Alright, now we already know about the importance of the skincare routine. Each step has their own function, so I hope each of us always take a good care of your skin, because today's people always look at your face first compared to your personality, right? Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for your attention and listen what I inform. Thank you so much. See you again.